The Zonesun ZS-FS240 is a servo dual powder and liquid filling sealing machine using back seal corner bags, with servo motors ensuring accurate film pulling and tight seals, running at 35 to 45 bags per minute. It suits pharmaceuticals, food, daily chemicals, pesticides, and specialty products, handling powders like additives, protein and milk powder as well as liquids such as sauces, beverages, and chemical solutions, while automatically completing filling, weighing, bag forming, sealing, cutting, and coating with PLC control, adjustable heating, flexible cutters, and optional coating.